Socrative offers quiz, space race, and exit ticket options. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will focus on working with quizzes. From the Quizzes tab, click Add Quiz, then Create New. Give your quiz a title. I will add one of each question type. Now, I just need to save and exit. The quiz is now in your quizzes bank. To launch it, click the Launch tab. From here, you can select any quiz to launch. Socrative's quiz option choices allow you to customize the quiz to the lesson's purpose. I will address the instant feedback and teacher paced options later in this video. For this quiz, the students need to have open navigation. Students will go to Socrative's student login page. Here is the link. One great feature about Socrative is that to take a quiz, students do not need to have accounts. They sign in with the teacher's room name. Students have open navigation for this quiz. They need to click Finish Quiz when they are ready to submit. By clicking on the Results tab, the teacher can monitor real-time student progress. This allows her to look over every student's virtual shoulder at the same time. It is a powerful tool for formative assessments. When you are ready to end the quiz session, click the Finish button. Socrative saves all of your quiz reports. You can access them at any time through the Reports tab. Exporting your report is easy. Socrative's help page is well organized and quite comprehensive. Traditional partner work and student-led groups are not always as productive as they could be. Socrative helps keep groups on task. When creating your set, use the explanation field to add your own explanation or prompts that would encourage student discussion. Meet SNARG. SNARG is diligently working on math independent practice problems. It is only after SNARG has done all 10 problems that his teacher discovers he missed them all because he skipped the same step every time. If SNARG's teacher had incorporated Socrative into this lesson, she would have caught his error before he repeated it 10 times. She could have intervened, thus enabling SNARG to have a strong finish. You don't have to spend hours preparing Socrative sets. Here are some of my favorite hacks for using Socrative on the fly. I have a blank open-ended question set in my quiz bank. I pair it with board work or other resources. You know, resources like the stacks of workbooks in the school storage closet. Some of those workbooks contain quality practice problems. You can create a quickie Socrative set like this one to pair with any resource. This allows you to monitor student progress or set up immediate student answer feedback. I call my final hack multi-tab teaching. I open Socrative in one tab and a scanned or online resource in another tab. I then toggle back and forth between them while teaching the lesson. In this example, I am using a Quizlet set in one tab and the Socrative blank template set in the other. I taught without Socrative for 20 years. Once I discovered it, it quickly became, and still is, my favorite technology tool.